Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutch Cooking. Today we're doing a cast iron Wednesday cook. It's the March challenge of Meatless, so we'll be cooking a full English meatless breakfast on the Traeger Ranger. Let's cook. So the first thing we're going to do for our breakfast is put some coffee on. We're going to put a little bit of oil down. Just spread this around. That's a bit alien to me, meatless full English breakfast. We'll give it a go. Also to go on here, we've got a pot of beans. Let's go down, we've got a beef tomato. Next we're going to put down is a portobello mushroom. So we're also going to make a potato rosti. I've got one potato that's been finely grated and I've squeezed all the water out of it. I've got about a quarter of a white onion that I've chopped. We're going to add that in. We're going to season this. Some salt, pepper, and also I'm going to add a pinch of curry powder. Just going to mix that all in. To make our rosti. Mushrooms start to take on some colour, so we'll just flip that. Check on our tomato, and we'll flip that. Tomato's coming on well. We'll move the rosti so it's directly over the heat source in the middle of the Traeger Ranger. So we're going to do a fried egg as well with this breakfast. I'm just going to put this ring on now just to start warming up. So we'll come in again and we'll flip this rosti. Our coffee's ready. Just going to take that off. Move our mushroom to the back. Move our tomato to the back. Egg ring back down. Get some oil in there, ready for our egg. While that oil's warming up, we've got some bread. I'm just going to put that down and toast that off. So now we're just going to take our egg and drop it into our mould. What we'll do now is just going to drop this lid down and get a bit of heat build up. So let's open up and see how our egg's getting on. We'll just remove the mould. Turn our toast. So there we have it folks, that's Dutch's meatless full English breakfast.